So today I'm taking a look at this PWC jet ski Fender. It's okay, you know, it's kind of a pain in the ass to use. It comes with like a hook that goes in the rubber rail, and then I guess you tuck this into here. This is the way I've been using it. I tuck it in there, and then I close this up and it holds it into place. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove this strap here and replace it with suction cup. This way, bam, right there. Just suction cup it on. It should be a lot easier to use, so let's go ahead and remove that strap. So I went ahead and removed this useless strap that came with that bumper guard here, and I put on a suction cup. As you can see right there, I bought on Amazon. It had the little clip, so all I had to do was just clip it right in there. The bumper guard fits right onto the rubber rail, just like that. Way easier to put on, less of a headache to deal with. You just want to make sure that when you put the suction cup, it's on a flat surface. This suction cup is really good. I can't even get it up right now. So, oh, there we go. It's even got like a tackiness to it. It's called Super Suction Cup. They come in a 4-pack on Amazon. So like I said, just make sure it's on a flat surface, push down, snap it, bam. There you go. Really nice and easy.